Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the controller electrically. Remove batteries or unplug the USB and wait 30 seconds to clear residual charge. Once done, visually inspect connectors, thumbsticks, buttons, and battery contacts for dirt or corrosion because grime causes intermittent inputs. Make sure to have a small screwdriver, 90% isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and a multimeter at hand so you can both clean and test electrical continuity. This quick prep prevents damage and guides your next steps effectively. You carefully open the shell, keeping screws labeled by location. Uneven force can strip threads. Next, remove the battery and test the terminals and PCB traces with a multimeter to confirm voltage and continuity, because a faulty trace mimics dead hardware. Then, clean button membranes, potentiometers, and ribbon contacts with 90% isopropyl on swabs, wiping in one direction to avoid pushing debris further. Once components look clean and tests pass, recheck connectors and prepare to reassemble step by step to preserve alignment. You reassemble the controller, aligning buttons and ribbons, tightening screws snugly, but not over-tighten to prevent casing stress. Once reassembled, plug into the host and run any available firmware updates, then perform a full calibration to map neutral stick positions and button responses. This often resolves drift or dead zones. If problems persist after calibration, swap the suspect joystick module or replace worn contact pads, because mechanical wear is the common failure and replacement restores reliable input.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.